Day trading indicator. This indicator comprises of several aspects. We've got a long and a short moving average, we've got an RSI, we've got the volume moving average period, and we've got the Williams %R indicator with a twist. So we've taken that and modified that. The way it works is pretty simple. As with most of our indicators, it's designed to be simple to use. For a buy signal to be genuine, you must have either the color candle and two green dots, or you can swap and have this symbol in as well for a buy and for a sell. Change that how you like. For a sell, you've got the peach, blue candle, and two black dots. Much like most of our indicators, it's designed to get you in a trend. It's an indicator, so it will not tell you that something is going to happen, or that it may happen and it may continue to be in a trend. Works on pretty much any time frame. It's designed to be a day trading indicator, so in and out in a day, but you can use it to swing trade. As highlighted here, this is a 3-hour chart. So as you can see, we've got, just going to show you that it doesn't work every single time. It's a valid buy signal based on nothing to the left, so this is only going by the signals. Obviously, when you're trading this with real funds, you incorporate previous history and what the price action is telling you. Had we taken that, the stop loss below the swing low, we would have been stopped out, unless we were really generous and put it down here. And the same here. Where it becomes good is when it actually really starts trending. So we've got the buy signal here. Obviously, if you're being super aggressive, you could enter the first candle that has the two green symbols, two green dots. But for a complete buy signal, you need the color candle and or the eggplant if you choose to have it. And then it's just a matter of staying in the trade. A couple of ways to exit. As always, you can exit when the indicator fails to show two green circles in the direction you're going. So green for up and black for down. Or green for long and black for short. Wait until it crosses the long EMA, which is the purple one. As you can see, this particular trade, had you held it till the previous sell signal, to the following sell signal, it would have been a nice profit. If you had immediately entered the sell signal and held it to the next buy signal, again, been a good profit. And it continues. So it's a very accurate indicator for trending markets. As you can see, as with any indicator, it doesn't get it right every single time, but it does indicate that you might want to enter a position. So when using this, use structure to the left, use market structure, what's going on, and combine that with other competencies to make you happy before you enter the trade.